Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. Best trading tips. Today our video is at very high accuracy. This is the best strategy for IQ option. This script is 99% accuracy. I have a very good Telegram channel where we provide 9 to 10 signals every day. You also join Telegram channel, the link is in the description. Subscribe to my channel so that new videos reach you. Okay, now let's start the trading. First of all, from our script indicator, by going, the script needs to be applied. Our script is now installed. Now let me tell you, how does it work? This yellow, what is yellow dot, tells you to get ready, signal is about to come. And what is this arrow? It is telling that here you can take the trades. This is the best entry. Traders, we now start placing our trades. Don't skip the video. I have started taking live trades on live account. You can check my live account. I will take live trades.